Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Tech TV. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a Cash App account using your mobile device. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Also press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. If you want to create a Cash App account, first download the Cash App application on your mobile device. Once you have it, tap it open. The first interface of Cash App will look like this. It'll ask you to enter your phone number or your email address to get started with it. Go ahead and enter either your phone number or your email into the text box. Soon after you type it in, tap the next button in green at the bottom right hand corner. You'll need to enter the code that has been sent on your email address that you provided. Type in the confirmation code into the text box where it says confirmation code. After you type it in, tap next at the bottom. Now, you'll need to link a bank account using a debit card. Enter your debit card number and tap next at the bottom. On the next page, enter your postcode into the text box. Once you enter your postcode, tap next. On the next page, enter your mobile number that you'd like to use with Cash App and tap on the next button again. Enter the code that has been sent on your mobile number that you just entered and tap next. Now, you can allow access for your contact in order to find friends on Cash App. Tap on continue to do that. Allow access to your contact in the pop-up. Invite your friends that are not already on Cash App by tapping on this get button in green, and you'll be able to get £5 after each of your friends join into Cash App with your invitation. Once you invite friends to your Cash App, you'll be able to sign up or create a new account for Cash App using your Android device. That is how it can be easily done. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.